Hi, I'm Jay Overbye with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm standing in a one-bedroom home that I think is the best value in Brooklyn. One of the things I love about this one bedroom is that it's simplicity, but also its loft-like feel. Like, one of the first things that you notice in this home is that you have 10-foot ceilings. I also love the way this kitchen is integrated into this living room space. And it's high quality, it's mid-condition. And did I mention, the actual floors are really high end. It's a Peruvian Lapacho. Speaking of this bedroom, very generously sized. And one of my favorite features is just the closet space here that for a one bedroom of this size is really abundant. And to round us off, the bathroom is absolutely stellar. And a home wouldn't be complete without a washer dryer. So we're standing on a private rooftop cabana. We have almost 400 square feet just to really sprawl and do your thing. You can dine al fresco out here, you can put a big hammock out here. You also have, again, brightness. We're looking east. I mean, it really is an amazing space. And as far as I'm concerned, it's a must-have. So thanks for joining me for this tour of this mint-condition one-bedroom home here in Brooklyn. I'm Jay Overbye, and if you're interested in seeing this special home, please email me or call me. And as always, I hope to see you real soon.